Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have bought this from Dollar Tree and I wanted to see how would it work. It's multi-purpose cleaning paste. It's for the grills, stove tops, chrome, tile, shower, sinks, and toilet. So I got a glove on. It don't smell right, so I'm gonna cut my fan on in my bathroom. Okay. So I'm going to try to go across my towel here. And I have. And I guess you put it in here, you guys, just like this. Can you see? You rub it in there and get on the towel. See this one here. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub it in. Can y'all see me? And I'm going to get in the crevices of my towel. Let me sit down. It has a non-pleasant smell, so, and I can see it's getting the grime off already. I see it. Yes, indeed. So I see, guys, it does work. Because my tiles inside the lines here is turning bright white again. It just has that scent. So how is your morning? It's very early. I'm up early, you guys, because I'm washing my soap. I'll put my soap in. I'm up early again. Vic's got me up super early. Meow, meow, meow. So I've been up. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'll be going down to brew my coffee. I don't know what I'm gonna actually have for breakfast. I got some bacon. I just don't know what I have for breakfast this morning. But I'm gonna have breakfast because I gotta take my vitamin. So I'm up early I just finished vacuuming up and down. Can't y'all believe my vacation is almost over, you guys? I'm gonna put this inside my tub. It didn't say anything about let it sit or anything. But I'm gonna let mine sit probably for like 10 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse my shower out with hot water. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys. And make sure you get in the crevices. Okay. And it's coming out white. This is my toothbrush. This was really what I use to clean my bathroom. My old toothbrush. Because you want it to get in the crevices. So I'm gonna finish doing my bathroom and I'm gonna come back with the finished results, you guys, okay? So hold on. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I finished using that paste on my bathroom wall and I washed it down with hot water. And so far so good, guys. It has a shine to it. I don't know, can you see it? It has a shine to it. So yeah, here's the wall here. It's all done. Here it is inside the white towel. They became more brighter. So, if I will have to give it probably a 9 out of 10. And the reason why, you guys, is because you got to use the muscle. It's okay to use a rag like I did here. It's okay to use that and just wipe. But for me, I'm used to cleaning my towels like with a toothbrush. So for me, it's better to use the toothbrush and get inside the crevices so you can actually get in there and get the job done. But it's more work. So that's why I would give this a 9 out of 10, because for me, it's better with a toothbrush. But if you just want to come in, maybe having some company, and you say, well, hey, I'm going to get my bathroom together. You put a dab over here and just wipe your wall down like this and scrub it down real fast. Put that hot water on there and you're good to go. So I thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye for now. And I will be back later with another video. Okay? Bye-bye, you guys.